A quick video of how I installed fiberglass insulation and hung drywall in this porch to new room addition project, so stick around. Now that all the exterior work was done, I could start working on the inside, and the first step was getting the insulation in the wall. This was pretty straightforward. Using the appropriate size insulation for my 2x6 wall framing, I started by filling the large wall spaces first. Once in place, I fluffed the insulation gently to help maximize its expansion and its insulation effectiveness. Then I simply cut pieces that fit smaller spaces and fit and fluffed accordingly. To get around electrical wires, I carefully teared the corner of the glass, pushing one edge behind the wire and placing the other over the top. For the electrical box, I separated the glass in the middle, placing the back half behind the box and cut away a small opening in the front half to accommodate the box space. Now it was time to cover everything up with drywall. I started with full sheets, placing them vertically. I made sure to leave a little space between the bottom of the drywall and the floor before securing it to the wall. I used coarse-threaded drywall screws to secure the drywall to the wall framing, placing a screw about every 8 inches or so. I continued around the entire room. I allowed the drywall pieces to overlap window openings and then cut out the openings using a roto zip. I used scrap pieces to finish off the remaining wall spaces and tried to line up the factory drywall edges where possible. Aligning the factory edges would help make it easier to get a smooth final finish after the drywall mud phase. Next, the drywall compound was applied to the joints and the screws to finish the surface, which I was not able to film unfortunately. I finally painted the walls with a light tone to maximize light in the room. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if it was helpful, why not subscribe? Please share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and make sure to watch my other videos in this series on how I converted this porch into a living space addition. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe Kistel.